Hi everyone, my name is Santi and today I will be discussing the importance on nutrition and maintaining a healthy lifestyle for college students. College students face busy schedules, so they may not be able to balance time constraints while eating healthy. As a result, they may overlook healthy habits. Unfortunately, there might be consequences from poor nutrition where it can negatively affect their energy levels, concentration, and their well being. This campaign prioritizes focusing on finding practical solutions on improving nutrition within the campus where students make daily food choices. A target audience for this campaign are college students here in Eastern Illinois University that are living on campus, especially those who rely on dining halls for their meals. Students have had concerns of limited options, and the options that are available are not always being the healthiest. As a result, this campaign would take place at Eastern Illinois University, specifically within the campus housing and dining services. Some key stakeholders within this campus campaign are the student affairs, the student recreation centers, and the dining services. The intention for this campaign is to take place in dining places where students are actively making choices on what to eat during each meal. Unfortunately, there are not that many options when it comes to eating healthy. Students will veer towards convenience. This might be reaching towards a quick, easy snack like a candy bar over a nutritious meal. Additionally, other challenges such as time constraints, like going to work, working overtime, or needing to take care of their kids. Some environmental influences can be like social economy going up for prices, and freshman 15 by gaining weight from eating processed and junk food can potentially add to stress, which leads to eating healthy habits. This can make a perfect place for intervention. The overall goal for this campaign is to improve of student nutrition so they can make healthier choices by increasing accessibility, creating inviting options, and being realistic in what is being served within the dining hall. To achieve in behavior, some changes will be using as an incentive or social media engagement, which can make a difference. For instance, in our next slide, if we placed QR codes with quick nutrition tips, nutritional content, or even recipe ideas, can assist students to make more informed choices. Having an incentive program can reward students when they choose balanced meals. Having incentive reinforces the message to college students about the importance on focusing on healthy, good choices so they can have benefits like improved energy, better focus, and health, rather just only thinking of immediate ease due to their challenges. The campaign will have some guidance derived from the social cognitive theory by Albert Bandura by 1986, which discusses the interaction of environment, behaviors, and personal factors. Furthermore, the campaign promotes small, realistic changes that can help potentially build long-term relationship with habits and goals. The campaign should be prioritized because poor nutrition is directly to decrease in education performances, where low energy levels and negative health outcomes are noted amongst college students. Dining halls are an effective place for intervention because students constantly make choices, making it easier to influence on their day-to-day behaviors without major lifestyles. The campaign aligns with the university prioritizing with student success, retention, and overall well-being. One significant thing is to note is that in this campaign, it's supposed to be created as a structured, practical, low solution, a real problem that decision makers need to face in order to support students' behavior and their health as an effective and sustainable manner. By improving the nutrition in the dining halls, the university can upgrade to the students' ability to succeed in both academically and personality. The campaign is designed to be realistic and feasible within the campus setting. I would like to see how this program would work because even if it's on a smaller case, before implementing it on overwide, we can see that if we take an initiative on this program in one dining hall over one course of a single semester, we can see the challenges, the benefits, and the areas of improvement, noting within one dining hall before we place it overwide on campus-wide. This campaign will maximize campus resources, which includes dining services and student recreation. By utilizing what is pre-existing on campus, we can minimize the need for additional staff of creating any additional major costs. Some potential difficulties can be anticipated on how students are being resistant on changing their habits or budget limitations with eating healthy. However, we can gradually improve based on programs. In order to be fair, we must keep in mind that this campaign is trying to bridge the gap of eating healthy. We aim to have healthy food that is affordable and easier to find for students across the campus. Having time constraints should not be the barrier that prevents eating healthy. The success of this campaign will be measured by several evaluation methods. Behavioral metrics will be tracked by increase of healthy meal selections within the dining halls, engagement within the measure of QR codes, usage on ability to participate and incentivize nutrition programs. In addition, we can implement surveys that can assess in changes in both energy levels and focus levels through perceived well-being. As a result, this can provide decision makers to make a clear data to further drive goals in the future to support educational funding and potential expansion of the campaign. In conclusion, improving the nutrition among college students is important for supporting both academic and long-term health success. The slogan will be Eat Better, Train Smarter, See Results Today. So I'm asking for the Student Affairs, Dining Services, and the Student Recreation Center at Eastern Illinois University to implement this campaign and improve access to affordable, nutritious meals. These can be realistic evidence based on strategies directly address structure by having students arranging with the university priorities. Now that it's time to take an action and create a healthier campus environmental support for the student and their success. These are my references. Thank you.